Welcome to Cronos Crypto.com CRO price prediction in the year 2030. That is, we are talking about 7.5 years to come. Remember, the best way to make money and get rich on crypto industry is to buy and keep crypto coins for a long period of time. Now, Cronos is actually doing well because Cronos really increased in price from last year to this year. Now Cronos is ranked number 23 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Now the market cap of Cronos at the time of recording this video is about $3.2 billion. Okay, now Cronos price at the time of recording this video is still trading between 13 cents and 14 cents. Well, now in this video we are going to talk about in the next 7.5 years to come, what will be the price prediction for Cronos coins. Now, according to experts, okay, based on our data, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and professionals, well, they expect the price of Cronos by the end of 2030. Cronos is expected to trade between $5.30, okay, and $5.80, okay. That is to say that Cronos is really going to increase in price. Imagine the coin that is currently trading between 13 and 14 cents now being start trading at $5.30. That is a lot of profit, okay. Now, but based on the market cap, the market cap of Cronos CRO is still possible, because if Cronos can hit the market cap of Ethereum is currently trading at $191 billion, let's say $200 billion, okay. Now if Cronos can hit the market cap of Ethereum, expect the price of Cronos to hit between $9 and $10, and it is possible with all this partnership, okay, from sports company to different partnership. Cronos.com has what it takes to really increase in price, okay, from Lakers, from sports, from UFC. Cronos.com have really signed a lot of partnership, and we believe with the help of this partnership, with the help of the bonding of Cronos coins, and with the help of Crypto.com, which is also an exchanger, and Crypto.com is one of the top exchangers, we believe the price of Cronos CRO is going to increase in price. Now imagine a coin that is trading between 14 cents right now and 20 cents, let's say between this week. Imagine the price right now start trading at $5.30 or $10, let's say by the next 7.5 years. That is a lot of money you are going to make. Okay, that is simply a lot of money you are going to make. That is why crypto industry is the best. Well, but remember the golden rule in terms of investment: if you want to invest in crypto industry, do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. So even though if you want to invest on CRO, please invest what you can afford to lose. But for me, we are keeping our CRO coins for a longer period of time, and we are hoping that with the partnership CRO have actually gained in the past months. Remember, most of this partnership were paid with CRO coins. That is why we believe people really trust this coin, and now CRO have worked its way to be ranked among the top 23 crypto coins with the highest market cap. And now with the market cap of CRO, which is trading about over $3.2 billion, that will give CRO a strong foundation to really last in the industry. Now in 2030, we are expecting the price of CRO to really increase in price, and CRO can even hit over 10,000% to 100,000%, because a lot of people have marked CRO as the next BNB. Remember, BNB is the local coin of Binance, and now CRO is also the local coin of Crypto.com, and apart from an exchange coin, CRO is the next to Binance, and we believe they will do everything possible to push their own local coin. Not just that, CRO are also sponsoring the World Cup, which will give more exposure to CRO. That's the good news to CRO. I mean, partnering with the World Cup, with the Italian League, PSG, so many things. PRO are really doing well in terms of promo, in terms of partnership, and we believe that this partnership can really help push the price of CRO. Please, once again, remember this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. So please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.